When we inhale, the diaphragm contracts and move downwards, and the rib muscles pull the chest outward, creating space for the lungs to expand and fill air. So the lung size increased and air rushes into the body. So the lung size is increased when we inhale. So when we exhale, the diaphragm relaxes and the chest cavity gets smaller, causing the lungs pear-shaped organ. Heart has four chambers. Upper two chambers are called atria. Lower two chambers are called ventricle. Atria are contracted. The blood flows into the ventricles respectively. From the right atrium, blood flows into right ventricle. From the left atrium, blood flows into left ventricle. After the atria contraction, the ventricle starts contracting. This pumps the blood out of the heart. That means from the right ventricle, blood pumps to lungs via pulmonary artery